In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make illuminated tall grass habitat in Pokopia. So firstly, you need to go and get a glowing mushroom here, as you can see. That's the first thing we need to get, and you should be able to get quite a lot of them in caves here, as you can see. So when you're in a cave, you should be able to get it quite easily. And after that, what you do is to just go into your crafting table, and then you can start crafting the mushroom lamp that you need. So I'm going to show you how actually this mushroom lamp is going to look. So it looks like this. As you can see, this is the mushroom lamp that you can craft from glowing mushroom. So I'm just going to set up the habitat now. So let's do it. We need 4 of this right here, grass, as you can see, or leafage, I think it's called. And then you set up the lamp just next to it. Oh, sorry, the mushroom lamp here, basically just next to it. And you can see you have now actually made that habitat. So this is illuminated tall grass, and that is exactly how to actually do this.